today has been a massive opportunity. I think I mentioned in my talk, giving voices to people like myself is something we're so grateful for, and definitely something we need in our industry. But over the last year, I think I've obviously lost that apprenticeship title in my role now, which is crazy, working 5 days a week. But I've been given a lot of opportunities through this award, and I think it made me open my eyes a little bit about how important that voice is, to use myself as a case study. And I've been able to do that through likes of going to other conferences, kind of through the recognition I've had through the RSC, and being able to help plan events and things. Like I helped plan the Young Leaders Forum last week at the Business of Science, and it's allowed me to broaden my network so much, which I think is so important, because I'm able to share my story, but then also I'm able to hear other people's story, kind of just create that whole network of sharing these skills. I think it's so important to advocate for it. There's no negative to it, really. I think, especially with the government levy, where if you're not using it, it's going to go to waste anyway. It's such an initiative that needs to be grabbed and taken advantage of, because you are training people to do exactly what you want them to do. And from that young age, at 16, 18 years old, you're still very adaptive to all these new skills. You've been in a school environment, you're ready to learn very quickly. So when you come into an industry, you're just ready to learn very fast. And I think that's something you lose over time when you get more and more experience. They're very much more settled, perhaps. But as these students come in, they're wanting to get started as fast as possible. And it's kind of, in my experience, we say yes to everything. So any opportunity you throw at us, we're going to say yes to. So for businesses that aren't taking advantage of apprenticeships, I think they should really consider it, because every apprentice I see has progressed so fast in their careers compared to people that have come in perhaps a graduate or internship.